Page 324. This is the chord sequence at the bottom of the page. This unit is on reviewing stuff you've already had. We have another sequence. We're going to go down by whole steps. It says there in the last line, continue downward by whole steps. So we got to figure out what the sequence is, and we just go down by whole steps. And yay, everybody's happy. The problem is the chord progression, the 2-7-5-7-1-7. We've been having this before. The 2-7, and it's a lowercase 2, Roman numeral, no, it's a minor, the 5-7, and a 1-7. You just play it here. You got just chords first, everything together here. Second, that's a 2-7. We've had this before, haven't we? And then here, and then here, and then here. Does this recognize it? It is. We've had this sequence before. It's just a different pattern, a different rhythm. But this is you're going here. They added an extra note. And here, come down, and you're going to go down in whole steps. So it's here. There, we've done this before. It is a review. It's just a. You got to know it. So here, it's an interval of fourth each time. Fifth, a fourth, 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 and that's a fourth. Each of these is a fourth. Here. Here. So there, you get the left hand worked out. We'll do the rhythm later. I'm just working on notes right now. And the right hand, same thing we had to hear. And then this goes down a half step. Then that goes down a half step. And then both of them go down a half step. Yeah. Get that worked out. Just fun or what? Half step. We've only gone down to here. I went too far. Oopsie. It's because these appear to be going down a half steps, but you're actually doing a half step in between. You're doing a half step here already. We've already gone. So then when we go again, we only go another half step. That makes it a whole step altogether. See, because here to here is a whole. Then you try and put them together and forget the rhythm and all that. Just here. This goes down a half step, it's the same note. And a half step. This goes down a half step. Both do. Remember where a fourth is now, it's here. And these go down a half step. Step. And I still think this is a little low. It'd be better if you start up here because you could hear the harmonies better up here than here. It gets too blah. But once you get an idea what the notes are, then you add these rhythms. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2. Rest. And it's the same note now. To rest. And same note here. These go down a half step. What's a fourth? Remember that each time this moves, going from the second measure to the third, that note is a whole step below the first measure. The first measure was here, third measure's here, fifth measure will be here. Each one's going to go down a whole step. And this other's, you're just following that same pattern. This could take a while, but it's kind of a neat neat pattern that comes in handy. I don't know how it does any good otherwise, but it's nice to listen to. If you have questions, feel free to ask your teacher or both.